happiness.
So what's the difference between being young and age?
Well, age is a number. I mean, how many times I've ridden this rock around the sun really has nothing to do with the quality of my life, right? But youthfulness is the measure. In other words, how much joy, fun, creativity are we exhibiting in our life? And those are attributes we usually think of as somebody that's youthful and young, right? So it really is our attitude and our happiness. Youthfulness is something entirely different. So when I talk about my dad being 99 years old, he acts like he's 17.
Isn't that great?
He's like a used Volvo, you know? We just change the parts out and he keeps going, you know, his tailpipe's rusting out.
Did you hear that, Dad?
His exhaust fumes are toxic.
Right.
But he's still fun to drive, right?
With this being said then, how happy can our life really be?
Well, as happy as we want it to be. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to tell the listeners and the viewers exactly what we need to do to take control of our life. And if you follow this, I just guarantee you will be happy, okay? So my father and I, 5 years ago, we entered into a pact. And that pact was that and I did it today, I will not let my feet hit the floor to get out of bed in the morning without saying to myself that this is going to be the best day of my life. And I really mean that when I do it. And the second part of that pact is we don't go to bed at night. We don't let our feet leave the floor without having made at least one person laugh. So now think about it. Think how popular my dad is, right? He's just loved. But what does that do for him? What does it do for me? It means that I'm giving, I'm contributing, I'm bringing value. So what I challenge people to do is, I don't care what your challenges are, but reach out and touch somebody every day. Anybody from your past, call them, text them, write them a letter, make them laugh, get a joke book. Just think about it. You can actually control the quality of your life. And if you do that, you'll have more joy and abundance than you could ever manage. Every day, just do it once a day.
You say, listen, you got to take care of yourself inside your home.
Right. Well, that's what being young at any age is really all about. We help people create their own roadmap to optimal happiness and health and vitality. And the key is, no matter what challenges you might be dealing with today, you have control. We can change that. We can get behind that Volvo and drive it ourselves, right?
I love that. That's a great analogy of that.